Now students, we are going to start with page number 84. Here, this much is given and what is written? It is written that postman uncle is ill today. Ill means he is sick. That means he is not feeling well today. So, let us deliver letters for him. Let us help him. But here is a twist. They have not written all the room number on this postcard. So, we have to add and then we have to find out and then we have to deliver it. So, let's begin. This 445 plus 10 is equal to 445, that is 455 is given. So, let us circle here. Okay. Now, next 456 minus 20 is 436. It is given. So, let us find out and circle here. Now, check here. 430 plus 20 plus 30. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. This is 4. So, 430, 463. Now, let us find out where is 463. It is just here. So, circle it. Okay. Now, next. 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 carried over. 3 plus 3 is 6. So, 464. Where is it? Circle it. Just circle it. Okay. Now, next. 467 plus 11. 7 plus 1 is 8. 6 plus 1 is 7. 4 plus 0 means 4. 478. Okay. Where is it? Find out. 478 is just here. Let us circle it. Okay. Now next. 480 minus 9. 0 minus 9. Is it possible? No. So what we will do? We'll borrow. So here it will be 7. Here it will be 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 7 minus nothing is 7. 4 minus nothing is 4. So it will become 471. Let us find out here. Where is 471? It's here. So circle it. Now next. 9 plus 0 is 9. 2 plus 1 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus nothing is 4. So it is 459. Let us find out and circle. 459. Where is it? It is just here. So circle it. Okay. Done. Now here. Check. 0 minus 9. Is it possible? No. So let us borrow 1 pence from here. 10 minus 9 is 1. 5 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 431. Let us find out and circle here. Okay. Now let's do here. 8 minus 3. After 3 we have to count up till 8. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How much? It will be 5. So let us write here 5. 9 minus 2. After 2 till 9. After 2 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 minus nothing is 4. So here we will write 475. Now let us find out and circle. Where is 475? It is just here. So let us circle. Okay. Now here. 466 minus 33. 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. 4 minus nothing is 4. So it is 433. Let us find out and circle here. 433 is here. Now here. 8 plus 2 is 10. So 0 down. 1 carried over. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. And this is only 4. So we will write 470. Okay. Find out 470. Where is it? So it is here. Understood? Now this 0 plus 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So 434. Where is it? Find out. 434 is here. Done? Now this 3 is a homework. Do this 3 by yourself. Do it as a homework. Now page number 85. Find the missing numbers. Look at the number patterns. Write the missing numbers. Now let us do this. In first pattern, 100, 200, 300. What will come next? We have to add 100 numbers. Okay? So 100, 200, 300 and 400, 500, 600 and then it will 700. Fine? Now in the string, look here. 900, 800, 700, that means it is decreasing order. Okay? Descending order. So 100 number we have to subtract. 900, 800, 700. Now what will come? It will be 600, 500, 400 and now it is 300. Okay? Now here 50, 100, 150, 200. That means we have to add 50 numbers in each. Okay? So after 200 it will be 250, 300, 350 and then 400. Okay. Now here in heart 300, 250, 200, that means what? We have to subtract 50 numbers. Okay. From 200 we will subtract 50, that means 150. Now we subtract 50 further, it will be 100. We'll subtract 50 further, it will be 50. Okay. Now check here in these boards. 25 people, 35 people, 45 people. Here is not written, here is not written. That means what? In this side, right hand side, we have to add 10 numbers. At this side, see 35 and here is 25. So left hand side we have to subtract 10, right hand side we have to add 10. So after 45 it will be 55. Here it will be 65. Okay. So here we have to subtract. It will be 50. Okay. Now next 280, 260, 240. They have subtracted 20 numbers. 80 minus 20 is 60. 60 minus 20 is 40. So let us write 220. Minus 20 is 200. 200 minus 20 is 180. 180 minus 20 is 160. Okay. Now here 125, 150, 175, 200. Now what will be the next number? Children, check here. In every number they have added 25 each. Do this as a homework. Do this one as a homework. We have got 25 numbers. Okay? Do it as a homework. fundamental maths. Students, look here. 80 minus, we have to go according to this arrow. 80 minus 35 is equal to what? We have to check. So first of all, we have to break up this number 35. 35 into 30 plus 5. 35. What we will do? We can do this. So 80 minus 30 we will do first of all. 80 minus 30 is 50 and 50 minus 5 is 45. How will it come? Check here. You have to break up this number. 35 into 30 plus 5. First of all, 80 minus 30 we will do. 80 minus 30 is 50. Now this 50 we will write here. 50 minus 5 is equal to 45. Why? Because 35 is 30 plus 5. So 30 we have subtracted earlier. Now 5 we will subtract it from 50. Okay. So it will come 45. Now here 45 plus 35. We have to add ones place. 5 plus 5 is 10. 0. Here we will write 1 carry over. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 3 8. So 80 here, 45 here. Understood? Now next. 50 is written. 75 is also written. Okay? Now here it is given 50. Okay. Now here we have to check what will come here. 75 given. Out of 75, how much we will subtract? So we will get 50. So we have to subtract 75 minus 50. So we have to write here 25. Now 50 plus 25 is equal to 70. Understood? Here 110 is given, 60 is given, we have to subtract. What we will do? Subtraction means we will count from 60 till 110, but in forward counting in 10. Okay? So after 60 it will be tens. 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. So how much it will be in tens? It will be 5 tens is equal to 50. Okay. Here 50 plus 60. After 50 plus 60, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. At ones place it is 0. At tens place 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay, so it will become 110. And here it will become 50. 110 minus 60 is equal to 50. Now check here. 120 is given, 320 is given. 320 minus 120. Let us subtract from ones place. 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. Now check here. 320 and 120 is given. We have to check what will be here. Okay. So, in which number we will add 120 and then we will get answer will be 320. So, we have to subtract this number. 320 minus 120. So, it will be here also 200. Okay. So 200 plus 120 is equal to 320. Understood?